Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about an important topic that affects all of us rising awareness of environmental issues. Our planet is our home. It provides us with a clean air, fresh water, and natural resources that we need to survive. However, human activities are causing serious damages to the environment. Problems such as pollution, climate change, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and excessive waste and are become more severe every year. One of the biggest environmental problems is pollution. Every day, large amounts of plastic, chemicals, and all other wastes are thrown into rivers, oceans, and landfills. Plastic waste is especially dangerous because it takes hundreds of years to decompose. Many animals mistake plastic for food, which can cause injury or death. Air pollution is another major concern. Factories, vehicles, and burning of fossil fuels release harmful gases into the atmosphere, affecting both human health and the environment. Another serious issue is climate change. The Earth's temperature is rising because of greenhouse gas emissions. As a result, we are experiencing more extreme weather events, including heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms. Climate change also threatens wild habitats and contributes to rising sea levels, which put many communities at risk. Deforestation is another environmental challenge. Millions of trees are cutting down every year for agriculture, construction, and industrial purposes. Trees play a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. When forests disappear, many animal species lose their home, and the balance of nature is disturbed. The good news is that we can all make a difference. Raising awareness is the first step towards solving environmental problems. When people understand the causes and effects of environmental damage, they are more likely to take action. Schools can play an important role by teaching students about environmental problems and protections. Students can participate in recycling projects, tree planting campaigns, and environmental clubs. These activities help young people develop a sense of responsibility toward nature. Social media is also a powerful tool for